Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Acura Integra door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. You will also need your new replacement door handle. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as there are small parts involved. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's get that old handle out. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. There are usually a few screws hidden under caps, so look for those first. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and the two rods attached to the handle mechanism. Finally, you'll find two 10mm bolts holding the exterior handle in place. Remove those to free the old handle. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide the new handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it sits flush. Secure it with the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Next, reattach the door handle rods and any electrical connectors to the new handle assembly. Before putting everything back together, give the handle a few pulls to confirm it operates smoothly and correctly. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all the clips snap into place and any screws are tightened. Double-check that your power windows and door locks are working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Acura Integra door handle. For more helpful tips and great deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.